Okay, I thought I would make a little overview video of my web app slash website that I made. Uh, my hope is that anyone can use this to create a custom character for this particular Fire Emblem game, so that I can then import it into my game using mods. Uh, it's called the Corrin creator because Corrin is the name of the main character in this game, and there might be an avatar for the players that are very customizable. Um, And so here we'll just go through the different options here on the main menu. So I recommend starting with either appearance or class. So we'll go with appearance to start with. Here, this just takes you to a separate link or website. And I did not make this or anything, but this is more or less just a one-to-one recreation of the character creator from the actual game. So here you can, there are quite a few different options for customization. So I'll just pick one at random here, it doesn't really matter. Sure. And then once you're finished, you're going to want to right click, save image as, and then save it to wherever on your computer, and then upload it here. Just make sure that you do it in that way, or else it might not work. And then they'll show up here. Next we'll do class here. So classes will be the, I think, biggest determining factor for how your character turns out. There are a lot of different options here. They use all different kinds of weapons and stuff like that. I think for this demonstration we'll just use we'll do sniper. Once you pick that, it'll show up here. Next are skills. So skills are a bit more complicated. Each character gets 4 skills by default, and those skills are determined by whatever class you chose. In addition to those skills, you also get to choose 3 more skills from anywhere else in the game. The important thing here, though, is that you don't choose skills that you already have. So to see what those skills are, you can use the full list option here, and then you can search for using Control F for whatever class you chose. So I chose Sniper, so I know I get Certain Blow and Bowfair, and then right here next to it is also Archer skills, so I also get Skill +2 and Quick Draw, because that was the base class that I chose. And so whenever I go to pick skills here, I just gotta make sure I don't pick these ones, because I know I already get them by default. So I'll just pick 3 at random here, doesn't really matter too much. Sure, Dancing Blade, whatever. Inspiration, sure, okay. And then once you pick their skills, they'll all show up right here too. Lastly, there are stats. So you get to choose 3 stats that will get a small increase, and then one that will also get a small decrease. The primary boon will have the biggest change, so this is your biggest boost to whatever stat you choose. While your Bane is the biggest decrease. The important restriction here is that your boon cannot be the same as whatever Bane that you choose, but you can have multiple boons go to the same stat. So if you want to go all in on, say, skill, you can do that, or speed, or anything you want really. And then once you're done here, you click submit, and it'll all show up here. I think that's about it. I guess their name. What do I want to call you? I don't know. You can be Flower. Nope, Flower. And then once you're done, you can just take a snippet of this. I think the easiest way would be to just press Windows key plus Shift plus S, and then just drag whatever. Just drag your mouse over the picture, and that'll save it to your clipboard or wherever on your computer, and you can send that to whoever is playing the game. And that's about it. Yeah. Right, cool.